Hey lovelies, so welcome to another Airdrop series tutorial. So today I want to make you guys know that for you to be able to perform some tasks on your Airdrop project, and for you to be able to get more profit per hour, more coin balance, and for you to be able to push forward or gain more in Airdrop projects, you need Telegram stars. Now, if you go to your normal Telegram app, just like I am doing like this, and you click on your Telegram and you want to purchase stars from Telegram, you are going to pay so much when you want to get stars. So if I click on my Telegram, that three burger button, and I click on the settings, and then I scroll up to stars, my stars, you will see that to get 100 stars, if you are in Nigeria here, you spend about 3,599 naira. To get 250 stars, you spend about 8,999 naira, and on like that. But I want to introduce you to a platform where you can get your stars cheaper. I mean, really cheap. And you can also buy stars for your customers, for other people. Like if you want to make it into a business, like, okay, let me sell stars to you, you can do that. And also, if you want to purchase it for other users on Telegram, you can also do that. So this is the site. I'll be dropping the link in the description box and also in the comment section of this video. So I'm doing it afresh for you guys to see. Once you click on the link, it will land you on this dashboard. Then you click on connect ton. Don't worry, it is safe. Either you click on connect ton here, that is you connect your ton wallet, or you click here to connect your ton. And then I'm going to do that now. I just click here to connect ton, and it automatically asks to connect your ton keeper or any of your other wallets, like the way you connect wallets on your Telegram for Airdrop project. But for me, I'm going to click on ton keeper. Yes, it's on ton keeper, guys. And once you click on ton keeper, it automatically reload the ton keeper interface, just like what it's doing here. And then you can now connect your ton to your ton keeper to this site. So whenever you're playing an Airdrop project, or you're mining an Airdrop, and they ask you to boost with stars, just for you to just do that on that site. So you see, it will ask you connect to fragment.com. You click on connect, and once you click on connect, it will ask you for your biometrics. If you're using biometric like me, if you're using password, then it will now redirect you back to that site, just like the way click on Chrome and you click on just once, just like the way you do your normal connecting to your Airdrop wallet. And you see, now you have your account set up. So from this place, if you now want to buy stars for someone, you will now come here and enter the person's user's name. You just need the person username the way it is on Telegram. Do you understand, guys? The way the username is on Telegram, that's what you need. Then you now come here and pick from the package you want, or you can enter the amount of stars you want. Do you understand? See how you enter the amount of stars you want here, you pick from any of these packages here. See how their transaction is. For 50 stars, you just pay 0.1290 ton. You get, guys? For 500 stars, you pay 1.2905 tons. Let's now go back to Telegram. I just want to compare. See, for 500 stars on Telegram, you're paying 17,999,000 naira, 17,999,000. That is how much you pay on Telegram if you are buying that 500 stars on Telegram. But for this one here, you pay about 1 point something ton. That's about 12,000 naira in Nigerian currency. You definitely see your own currency if you're not in Nigeria. So guys, I'll leave the link of this particular website in the description box, and I'll pin it in the comment section. So let me know if you found this kind of video very helpful. So see you shortly in another update. Bye for now.